Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file shredder. First, understand that simply deleting files moves them to the recycle bin, and even emptying that doesn't truly erase the data. A file shredder overwrites the data multiple times, making it unrecoverable. This is crucial for protecting sensitive information like financial records or personal documents before disposing of a device. Choosing the right file shredder is important. There are many reputable software options, some built into operating systems, others available as third-party applications. When selecting one, consider its ease of use and the types of shredding algorithms it offers. Algorithms like the Gutman method or DoD 5220. 22M provide robust data destruction, overwriting data many times. Once you have your file shredder installed, the process is straightforward. Open the application, and typically you can drag and drop files or browse to select specific documents or entire folders. Double-check your selection carefully, as shredded files cannot be recovered. After confirming, the software will begin overwriting the data, ensuring it's permanently gone. For best practices, always shred any sensitive files before you dispose of or sell a computer, hard drive, or USB stick. Make it a habit to regularly review your digital documents and shred anything you no longer need that contains personal or confidential information. This proactive approach significantly enhances your digital security. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.